A little bit of Dodge muddin here. Effortless. Absolutely effortless. Your turn.
Two-wheel drive.
All right. Get a move on. Man, that smells like sewage.
First, dude?
Sure.
Huh?
You afraid to get dirty? You roll the windows up?
I want to get inside interior dirty.
Oh, pussy.
Man.
It only smells like sewage, that's all. You don't need 4 low. Ah, that's a walk through the park. Unfortunately, since it's the middle of August, this is the biggest puddle I got at Dave's farm. And the stinkiest one. Now you gonna go up Sky Hill? Why not?
Do I wreck my truck?
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. Guess it's not that tough.
It's only a Dodge.
Yeah, it's only a Dodge. Two-wheel drive spin action. Well, there's no spinach there. That worked no problem. Aftermath.
You grab my smokes from back there? Oh.
Looks good now. I like your paint job.
Thanks.
Total redneck.
Yeah. Custom job.
Last to the next rain, then time to get a new paint job.
Oh yeah.
That's what I like to see. Bitch on back with beer on board. Well, we don't have much left of that tire. We burned her right through, but these are 721 radials. And if you remember 20-something years ago, there was a recall on them. They were so shitty a tire that they blew up while you're driving along and many people rolled over in a ditch and died. So they would give you new tires for free. So maybe I can get brand new tires for this. You know, even though they're 30 years old.